Asset health management for business critical assets. All businesses are dependent on the reliability and availability of critical assets for the smooth running of their operations. The impact of critical asset failure ranges in severity and can include a total loss of production, inefficient service delivery, loss of income, damage to brand equity, or a breach in legislative compliance. What if you could use technology to give these assets a voice to provide vital information for fast and accurate decision-making? Pragma's Asset Health Management Service gives your assets this voice and ensures the reliability and availability of business-critical assets through real-time monitoring and management. Your asset's health is monitored in real time via machine sensors, allowing advanced data analytics and machine learning to plan for corrective action and prevent failures from occurring. All machine data, triggered alarms and history are managed in our enterprise asset management system to follow a proper work management process and provide real-time information via mobile devices. Pragma's Asset Health Management Center is on 24-hour standby to initiate corrective action when needed. The required maintenance specialists and accredited contractors will perform all corrective and preventive work and provide detailed feedback upon completion. With Pragma's Asset Performance Management solution in place, you will have access to performance, cost and asset condition information 24/7 all year round to achieve and quantify bottom-line benefits. Pragma, Asset Management Engineered. Visit www.pragmaworld.net.